Dream DIOR squad. It's Princess and Dreamy Pop. Dreamy, we're back. We are back. So yeah, guys, we're back with a new video. We will be doing, well, we're gonna be giving Dreamy her new toy that just arrived today. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Are you ready, Dreamy? Here. Look what we got. Dreamy. Wow. Okay, have a seat. And you got the pretty colors. Okay, so what do you have, boo? Can you open it? Ooh. So it's a Go With Me ABC backpack. This is cool. Ooh. Explore phonics and letter writing. Interactive letter pieces trigger phonic sounds. Teaches how to write uppercase and lowercase letters. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, sit on the chair and open it. You gotta sit up there so we can see you. We can't see you. Can you sit up there? Go sit up there on your chair so we can see you. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Can you turn it on? Oh, wow.
Hi, let's learn about letters with me, Mr. Pencil.
And you got pretty
Put
letters.
a letter into it.
Pink
C.
and
B.
green.
Butterfly.
Wow. Stand up, boo. Stand. Thank you guys for tuning in. That will be the end of today's vlog. We were able to get Dreamy's. No, you don't want to go bye-bye? You're eating a cookie. You don't want to go bye-bye? Dreamy's having a little snack. And we were able to get the backpack put together. We did the straps on the back.
No.
So that Dreamy can carry it. Isn't it cute? So cute. And this is it. You like it, Dreamy? Okay, Dreamy likes it. Dreamy approved. Okay, Dreamy, so we're gonna say bye-bye until next time. Be sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Tell them, boo, say subscribe. Hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Please like and share so that your friends can see this video. Thank you guys so much. We love you guys. And until next time, Dream DIOR's Playhouse. Dream DIOR's Playhouse. Dream DIOR's Playhouse. Dream DIOR's Playhouse. She is full of cookies. She is full of cookies. Look at her mouth. Full of cookies. Cookies. Give them some cookies. Give them some cookies. Okay, guys. Bye.